So real quick, this is a Prime ad that I bought from the company. This is my Prime ad per se that I am putting forth the effort to allow people to see my ad on this platform, on this particular platform that I've been using, which is Herculist. So you guys that have, that I was telling this about, that I was, talking about, it gives you visibility, whereas people that they're logging into this thing, they're going to see, and this shows all across this platform. So let me show you. That's another thing I'm using right now. T command posts. Let me see. Herculist. Let me see. Let's see, that's gonna show some other different. It shows up at different times. No, not you. Every time somebody clicks on it, it's gonna show something different. But the eye blast ad that's coming up, I don't know what's gonna be on this, but you can buy eye blast ad. When people log into this particular site, they will see your ad, and this ad has been up for a few days. So this person must have bought this out for a few days. It's actually cheaper than doing a magazine ad or magazine spread. It's cheaper than doing a lot of advertising, so to say. Let's see, go Prime ad. And Prime ads, I bought 3,500 real visitors, so I shouldn't run out of those for a little while, along with the backing of what I like to call a traffic bomb. Let's see. Home. I gave an example of how this particular self-serving platform, ad platform will part of the ad platform will help you gain visitors, and it will save you money as well. So you can do one of these ads per week, and then combine it with something else. Say you want to do a Craigslist ad. Say you want to go to T command post, another traffic exchange, or whatever have you. Just to, kind of spread it out there. This is not the only thing that I'm doing as well. So along with this, so yeah, get out here and see what this is about. I'm not trying to make no money off anybody. I'm just saying, if we lock arms together, with this particular platform and the frequency that our ads get seen, the more likely somebody will click and hit that button. But this is my ad that I'm running right now, and this is what I'm doing a giveaway as well. So you can, it just depends on how you advertise. So, and click here for your free trial. Then they fill out this form. They fill out this form and went to a website. They go to my sales page. My sales page has a button that is linked to a rotator as well, which I help my team gain traffic and, help them promote their business. So yeah, with that being said, this has been your boy Ferris. Long to be blessed, not stressed, always be motivated by success, and I'll see you on the beaches of the world.